Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to enable Instagram feedback email notifications with the latest update. This feature is really handy if you want to stay informed about Instagram's feedback and updates directly in your email inbox. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the three horizontal lines icon, also known as the hamburger menu, located at the top right corner. Tap on that to open the menu. Next, from the menu options, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage all your Instagram preferences. Scroll down a bit until you see the Notifications option and tap on it. Now, within the Notification settings, scroll down until you find Email Notifications. Tap on that to open the email notification settings. Here's the key step. Find the option labeled Give Feedback on Instagram and toggle it on. This will enable Instagram to send you email notifications whenever there's feedback or important updates related to your account or activity. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Instagram feedback email notifications. From now on, you'll receive helpful emails from Instagram that keep you in the loop without needing to check the app constantly. This simple setting is perfect for anyone who wants to stay connected and informed about their Instagram experience, especially if you manage a business account or just want to keep track of Instagram's communications more easily. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to check your other notification settings to customize your Instagram experience even further. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying updated with Instagram.